If you are a smoker or ex-smoker and need smoker's cough treatment, please pay attention to this short message. In this video, I will share with you on a unique smoker's cough treatment using this amazing device called AirPhysio.
If you are a smoker, if you are an ex-smoker, if you have any difficulty breathing for whatever reason, you have to try the AirPhysio. It seriously works. Day one. I coughed up basically the biggest, most disgusting loogie I have ever coughed up in my entire life. It was more than yesterday. The first day, I was using my watch. I could basically do about 5 minutes. And today, 15. I feel great. Full breaths in and out. I won't show that to you. It's a big one. All right, check this out. I feel great. Like I can actually breathe.
AirPhysio, it works like magic.
If you have any difficulty breathing for whatever reason, you have to try the AirPhysio. It changed my life. I am not joking. Seriously, it changed my life and it will change your life too.